Hi there guys, and this video I will show you how to hide Instagram chats. Firstly, you need to get up into your profile section on your Instagram, and then you need to tap on the three dots on your right upper side. Then you need to go for the settings side, and what you need to do now, you need to go for account section, and then you need to scroll down. And right down, as you can see, you have the option which says switch to professional account. Just click on that button. You're gonna get up professional tools, go continue again, get up for all continue, and here you need to choose category. We'll go with education. I will go done. And now with making my profile to professional site setup, you're gonna wait first to take up, as you can see, 30 seconds to finish up. Now you need to choose business or creator. We are gonna go with business. Go next. Here you can add whatever you want. I will go skip on every side here. And now if I get back into my feed and if I scroll on my right side, as you can see, there is also an option for general. Now if I go on the second selection or the second chat, I can just scroll on the right side or just tap and hold on it, and here as you can see you have move to general. Click on move to general, and with this we have hide this Instagram chat. If I go to general, here I can find out all hide sections which are included in this chat. Over. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.